Okay, so this video is just a short little video. It's about my 2011 MacBook Pro. I actually managed to crash this hard drive in I don't know why, but you know, it's quite old now, 9 years actually. The computer itself, well, the hard drive is crashed now, but before the crash works great. It's a Intel 2.3 gigahertz. I got 8 gigs of RAM in there. The hard drive is the one from the factory, which is 320 gigs, I believe it is. Currently setting up my Mac. There we go. This is a clean installation of the High Sierra. It's this is an early 2011 2.3 gigahertz i5. 8 gigs of RAM in there. That's a DDR3. Yeah. We see the storage is 320 gigs hard drive. What I want to go ahead and do now is to clone this hard drive into this SSD here. So I will also make a speed test. I will not install anything here, just make a clean clone on this SSD, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a speed test video, boot up video with this hard drive, and then eventually with this SSD in there. That's a topic for another video. This is working great now, and that's the whole idea with this video.